Hi, I'm Coinneach, the Hebridean baker. TikTok enables me to share a slice of my culture through baking without ever leaving my cabin. Most of the year, me and my partner Peter live off-grid in our wee cabin on the west coast of Scotland. It takes us away from the hectic life when we are in the city. Being able to slow down, be as far away from the modern world as possible. But baking is a social thing. You never bake for yourself, you bake to share. There's recipes that we're losing, traditions and culture that we're losing on the island as well. So it's important to keep it alive. The storylines and the food culture of Scotland really does resonate across the world. This place you can only get to by canoe, but with TikTok, I can bring people closer.